Here we have an awesome walnut root Beltuna Euro 3 piano accordion with low middle reeds. There are 30 keys on the right hand of this instrument, and it is a real dynamite sounding instrument. If you just listen, you're going to find that a lot of times the smaller compact professional instruments have the ability to project more while having the obvious compact body, and that helps with traveling and makes it easier to handle. This is also a great instrument for a really aspiring student who doesn't want to have to carry a full-size accordion but still wants to have all of the professional quality sound. So you have a bassoon reed, bandoneon, accordion, the other two middle and low combination, the full master, the musette, the detuned violin switch with the two middles, the violin switch that's a little drier, the clarinet, and then a full mute. On the left-hand side, we have four different switches with 72 bass buttons.